Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be going over my 3-step blueprint for YouTube. And my 3-step blueprint consists of first, the beta phase. Now the beta phase consists of planning your content, doing keyword research, and choosing a niche. And once you've got this done, this then brings us to the intermediate phase. Now the intermediate phase consists of recording 33 different videos, and this ties into the 33 rule, which I've talked about previously on here. And then once you've recorded and uploaded 33 different videos, that brings us to the scaling phase. Now the scaling phase consists of outsourcing your content to other people. So when you find a type of content that works, you can then pay other people to make the videos for you. And that's how I actually manage to run 9 different YouTube channels. I pay other people to make the videos for me. So if you want to learn the exact specifics on this, on how you can make this happen and how you can make this work for yourself, check out the free training that I put together at my link in bio. You can sign up for it absolutely free. And honestly, this is the most comprehensive free training on YouTube that I've ever seen on the internet. You can go check it out at my link in my bio to learn the exact specifics on how I make this 3-step blueprint work for myself, and more importantly, how you can make it work for you. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.